Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making cheesy spaghetti in white sauce. Now let's start. In a hot wok, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1/4 cup capsicum. Fry for a minute. Add 1/4 cup carrots. Cook for a minute. After 1 minute, take out and set aside. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now mix continuously on low flame. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now I am adding 100 ml milk. Mix continuously until sauce smooth and thick. Now you can see it's looking smoothy and thick. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves, half teaspoon of salt. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix. Cook for a minute. Now I am adding 3 slices of cheddar cheese. Now cook for 1 minute. Now I am adding 1 boiled egg cut in slice. Now mix well. Add fried veggies. I am adding 200 grams of boiled spaghetti with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well. Now cheesy spaghetti in white sauce is ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.